If you're experiencing issues with voice chat in Valorant, calibrating your settings can help resolve the problem. Follow these steps to ensure your voice chat is set up correctly. Step 1. Check in-game settings. Navigate to the Settings menu in Valorant. Go to the Audio tab and ensure that the voice chat option is enabled. Adjust the input and output device settings to match your microphone and speakers. Step 2. Test your microphone. Before jumping into a game, test your microphone. You can do this in the same audio settings menu. Look for a test feature that allows you to speak and check if the game registers your voice. Step 3. Adjust Windows sound settings. Open the sound settings on your computer. Right-click the sound icon in the taskbar and select Sounds. Under the Recording tab, find your microphone, right-click it and select Properties. Ensure that it is set as the default device and check the levels. Step 4. Check permissions. Make sure that Valorant has permission to access your microphone. Go to your computer's privacy settings, find the microphone section, and ensure that Valorant is allowed to use it. Step 5. Restart the game. After making all necessary adjustments, restart Valorant to apply the changes. Join a game and test the voice chat functionality to see if the issue has been resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate your voice chat settings in Valorant effectively. If problems persist, consider checking for updates or consulting the game's support resources.